I'm gonna try and explain this as quick as possible. We are at Rob's house right now, and a lot of you who follow me on Instagram and Snapchat always ask, oh, why do you have all these lights on in your cluster? Like, why are all these lights on? Like, what's good with you? Why aren't you fixing all these lights? And yeah, I just never got around it, but now I'm getting around it. So this is gonna be like a 4-part video series of basically us tackling all the lights on in my cluster and just taking care of all these lights. So this video and this one particularly, we are gonna be tackling the tire pressure monitor sensor light on in my cluster. We're gonna be doing that by not installing tire pressure monitor sensors in these tires, but rather installing new tires and wheels that have tire pressure monitor sensors on them. Huge shout out to Edwin Nolan, the dude who bought my M Sport kit. He gave me these wheels, so we're gonna be throwing these on, and that'll fix the tire pressure monitor light in the dash. That'll be knocking down one light out of the way. Another bunch of lights I have on, I'll tell you really fast. I have my check engine light on because of the downpipe. I have my brake light on because of an aftermarket brake pad wear sensor I bought a while back instead of getting an OEM one. The computer didn't want to recognize it, so my brake light is constantly on, and it says, you know, you need to fix your brake pads. That's light's been on for the longest time, so in order to fix that, I'm gonna have to get new brake pads, and I already have the brake pad wear sensor OEM one at home. Another light that's on is the restraint system and the seatbelt light. That's only on because I put the M Sport bumper, the M Sport bumper. I put the M Sport steering wheel in Rob's car, and that my car was coated for that airbag. Now this is coated for US spec because it's a US airbag, and I need to get that coated to get those lights off. And then the lastly is obviously the tire pressure light, but we're fixing that right now, and that's only because these tires don't have tire pressure monitor sensors in them. So yeah, we're gonna basically swap these wheels, take these off, and then I guess I don't know what I'm gonna do with these wheels. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm gonna throw these on. Rob, say what's up to the vlog. What up, y'all? Another thing that I want to point out that we're doing, and we're gonna be doing this off camera, is this boot is broken, and we're gonna have to fix it because it's shaking and it's causing a really bad sound in the cabin, and it's annoying. I have the boots in the trunk right now, so we're just gonna quickly do that off camera. But aside from that, let's get these wheels off.
Say hi. Hi, little Rob.
So we fixed the boot. Well, Rob fixed the boot. We're just gonna throw this wheel on now.
Holy shit, Shumao actually works.
Man, that noise was so annoying. So glad it's gonna be gone now.
It's gone now.
How to rip your brake dust shield.
How to scratch your inner rim.
Who cares, right?
It's a stocky. And it's not black.
I know, right? Thank God it's not blacked out anymore. Hopefully after we drive a couple miles, we will basically lose that tire pressure monitor light. I really hope that's how this works. I hope it's not like vehicle specific. And another thing I want to point out, for those of you that are planning on getting wheels without tire pressure monitor sensors, try not to do that because your car sometimes won't allow you to kick back into sport mode or eco mode, nothing. So you're just gonna be stuck in comfort your whole life. So if you guys are about to plan on getting new wheels, you know, you're setting up for next summer, you're getting new tires, make sure you get tire pressure monitor sensors because it would suck to have a life where you can only be in comfort mode.
Guns on your right.
We got guns, we got gats on deck. All right, so we got the rear wheels on. Now it's just a matter of doing the front two, and then we're pretty much done. We're gonna drive and see if the light goes away. I'm gonna drop this, I can feel it. Hey Rob, I got a delivery for you.
Special delivery pizza.
Krusty Krab pizza.
Is the pizza for you and me. Can I get some Krusty Krab springs?
You're such a dad with your jokes.
Hey, what did the horse say to the other horse?
What?
Hey.
Wow.
Dad jokes.
Just stop.
Dad jokes are lit. What do you call a blonde chick that dyed her hair black?
A brunette?
No, artificial intelligence, bro.
What? What the?
Oh my goodness!
Child labor.
Yeah, man. So that's what we do here at Rob's garage. Go pull up. Hey, how are you?
So this is how Swift takes his wheels off.
It's just how I roll, guys. This is what I do, and then just pull.
Don't need those.
I have tire pressure monitors now? What? See, this is the part that sucks for frail guys like me. When it's time to lift this wheel up, put it up, it's like you gotta use your legs and stuff because there's no upper body strength. Don't worry, I'm hitting the gym.
Put your back into it.
Yeah, and then I break my back, right?
Wrong way, bro.
No! I loosened it. I guess so. Now I'm just gonna drive the car around, see if the light turns off. There's no gas in it right now, so it's gonna be a headache, but let's see what happens. All right, guys, so I started the car and I hit reinitialize TPMS and I reset it. After resetting it, I drove a little and now it's showing me the air in my tires. So it basically needs air, so I'm gonna fill some air right now and then I'll talk to you guys in a sec. Hopefully that light will be gone by then. And go ahead and check in your door sill what PSI you're supposed to be at. Mine's at 32, so I'm gonna fill all these to 32. Okay, so I got the tires filled up with air at 32 PSI each. And as you can see, it's all green. When I drive, it'll be a little bit more accurate. And yeah, now the tire pressure light is off. I'm gonna go get some gas. But that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys that still watch my videos, even though I'm not doing mods anymore. I love you guys very much. Let me know what you guys think of this little series, you know, getting rid of all these lights. I thought it would be fun and it'd be fun to document all of this. Next is probably gonna be the check engine light. God knows when I'm gonna do it, but whenever we get the chance to do it, it will be filmed. And we'll show you guys how we're gonna get rid of this check engine light. I gotta do that soon because my inspection is up soon. So I gotta go get gas now. Huge shout out to Rob for helping me do all of this. Thank you so much, bro. He couldn't say bye to the vlog because he had to go pick up his wife. After the check engine light, we're gonna have to probably do the brake light, and then lastly we'll just go to Mike to code the airbag to work. But that's the easiest of all of this. It's just literally Mike coding it. But I will have to get brake pads soon, swap the brake pads, and then also put in the sensors, which I have at home. But that's really it. One light down, one more to go. That's all it is, man. It's just one light at a time. At least I know why all of them are on. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.